Types of maps. What is this? This is a map of India. These are also maps of India, but are they similar? Yes, the physical boundary is same in the three, but there are some differences. Can you find any differences among these? Let's check it out. First map is the political map of India. Map in the middle is showing different rivers in India, and the third map is showing amount of rainfall in India. Thus, these three maps are maps of India only, but showing three different features of India. Thus, maps are not of a single type showing cities and states, but they also show different features. The most basic categories of maps are physical, political, and thematic. Let's understand these more clearly. Political maps show political features of a country, that is, its states and capitals, the boundaries and the neighboring countries and states, etc. Some of the maps show physical features of a country, like mountains, oceans, plains, plateaus, islands, etc. These are known as physical maps. Let's talk about thematic maps. Have you ever seen a thematic map? Thematic maps are based on a particular theme, like climate of a place, distribution of forest, population distribution, soil transportation, rainfall, industries, minerals, etc. These maps are named on the basis of what is shown by them.